guys, what's up? Look who's here.
Oh, no.
Look who's here. No, here. Look who's here.
Hey, what's up? I'm here.
Look who's here. He's
Hello.
busy, I guess. So, how's everything? By the way, did you like Sanya? Did you like Sanya?
सही है यार सही है ना
बहुत सही है.
बहुत सही है
So, yeah.
Okay, guys, so first of all, we want to thank you all for the response that we've received from you guys for Saiya. We're getting a lot of likes, a lot of comments, and a lot of views on the song. Thanks to you guys.
Second of all, we want to thank you guys for watching Saya.
And third of all, thank you for Saiya.
क्या सही बात है.
Also, we really want to thank Kailasa, that's Kailash Kher, Naresh, and Paresh for this beautiful composition that they've given us.
Superb song,
Saya.
very nice song.
Everybody, let's thank them.
Thank you guys. That was an awesome song, and we're so happy
Yeah.
that we got a chance to work on it.
Yep.
So, I think he's wearing a cool shirt. What do you guys think?
Ooh, me.
Orange.
What do you guys think of Samar's shirt?
Because we're all wearing black and we're being like very boring right now.
Okay.
This guitar
No,
being
this is
pretty
blue.
cool. Oh, that's blue.
So this is
Am I feeling blue?
great.
No, I'm not.
Do you guys want to listen to Sanya right now?
No.
Do you want?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yes or no? Okay, say yes if you want to listen to Sanya right now.
Okay, let's
Why
see
can't we
the
hear
comment
you?
and see
What are
what
they
do
saying?
say. What's the comment say?
Summer, somebody says.
Yeah.
Yatika,
Okay, so nobody has said that they want to listen to Saya so far.
guys, you want to listen to Saiya?
You are great, guys.
Sorry for being late.
Sorry.
Oh,
Sing, please,
Sanam
okay.
took a long time to wear his hat.
No. No.
orange is love. Okay.
Okay.
Orange. Okay.
Is love.
You want to do the song?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You think we have enough?
I'll just pick up my guitar.
Yeah.
Then you do the song. Saya?
Yeah.
You think?
Yeah.
Shall we sit here? You're sitting here.
Yeah. Okay, sure.
Check out my stool, guys. Show them my stool.
Very loud of the loop. Is that correct? Perfect?
Yeah, that's
I
right.
like it.
Very first time.
Maggie?
Yeah.
Little like. Little.
Actually, just stand.
Yeah. Come, everybody get in frame.
It's gonna be long, huh? I can't even see.
You wanna go for it?
We're tuning the guitars. You
Yes.
can see.
I need
Let
to
me
tune my
tune
instrument
my
also.
voice. My voice is tuned.
Let's go. Maggie?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. Okay.
One second. Yeah, let's go, guys. Oops. Sorry. Each other.
Okay. But
Little bit. Take it. Good.
Yeah.
हीरे मोती मैं ना चाहूं मैं तो चाहूं संगम तेरा मैं तो तेरी सैया तू है मेरा सैया सैया तू जो झूले प्यार से आराम से
the phone for that long. Check out the biceps. Hope you guys like that one. Too good. Ishpulava. I just listened to Ishpulava. Nice.
You just, oh.
Gonna kill me. No.
No, we're not gonna kill you. No.
We're not gonna
Never
kill you.
gonna kill ya.
Sorry.
Nah.
Not gonna happen.
Never gonna happen.
It's not gonna happen. Not gonna
Not
happen.
gonna happen.
Not gonna happen. It's not gonna
Whoa,
happen.
what's up? Alright. Guys, you are awesome. Thank you, Akib. Dikshita Gain. Please. Okay.
Dikshita Gain.
She's saying please.
Do you have a cousin and that cousin's name is Dikshita Loss? Sorry.
Gain lost.
Ah.
Oh no.
Asmita Maske. Superb. Good.
Love you, Sanam. Will you marry me? She's saying. I like putting him in these situations. Another song, please.
Another song.
Okay, another song. Okay.
You wanna
Without
sing?
instruments?
Sorry.
What,
Anything we can
what
do
can
without
we
instruments?
sing?
Yes,
What can we do?
we
Let's
can
do another
do.
song.
Mm,
Where's the tea? Summer.
Oh yeah, tea. Right. 1 second.
Okay,
Okay.
Summer's gonna get tea.
Okay, it's gonna take some time. So maybe later, next time maybe.
Next time. Lots of love from Pakistan. Lots of love from India.
Okay, I want to tell you guys something. There's an amazing singer. His name is Ghulam Mustafa Khan Saab,
Oh yeah.
and he's done a song at this age. I'll tell you his age. His age is 86, and he just recorded a song. His song is called
Maula.
Maula from the movie 31st October. Guys, trust me, to have that control at the age of 86 when your body is losing a lot of control, it's not easy at all. And guys, we must, everybody, come on.
He
Oh,
Oh yeah, he's also the teacher of half of the industry. Yeah, the vocal teacher. So
he comes from the great Senia traditions of and he actually comes from the lineage of Tansen, the greatest. You know, he's like a proper gharana singer, and he's one of the most revered and most respected singers in the classical Hindustani tradition that we have in the country. And we have great playback singers like Sonu Nigam ji, Shan. I think we have even Asha Bhosle ji, who has also been one of his pupils, or one of his one of the people who have learnt about classical tradition, traditional Hindustani music, and so many other great singers that I have not named, but it's
Yeah.
what's the comment?
what's that?
केशव आप बहुत बोलते हो.
केशव आप बहुत बोलते हो.
Yeah.
Hey, I've been silent the whole time.
Yeah.
हाँ ये बहुत बोलता है, बहुत तंग करता है.
No. Not he. Summer has one line for you guys.
Have
Come
fun.
on. Say it again.
नहीं सब्सक्राइब जरूर करना.
Oh yeah. Subscribe जरूर करना.
ओके गाइस, जो भी अभी लाइव चैट देख रहे हैं, जिन्होंने देखा नहीं, और आप में से हो सकता है कुछ हो जो हमारे चैनल के बारे में नहीं जानते शायद, तो हमारे चैनल का नाम है सनम यूट्यूब पर, और हमने अभी गाना रिलीज़ किया है सैया, ये उसी के लिए वीडियो है, और आप सुनिए वो गाना. अगर आपको पसंद आता है तो हमें बताइए.
Awesome.
I'll get my green tea. 1 second.
Summer's gonna get green tea. Venky's gonna
Alright.
take over. Oh, Sneha.
Big shout out to Justice and Hope and to Sneha. Sneha, can we get a comment from you?
Anu
Does she
Jain.
have anything to say? Anu Jain says, Keshav.
Summer, you look so hot in this t-shirt.
Woof, it's too hot in this.
Thank you.
Where's the tea?
Fake tea.
Fake tea, yeah?
Check this out.
That's what happens
Fake.
when there's too much pressure, right? Yeah.
SP Vinod.
Oh,
Hi, Akul.
hello.
How's it going?
Hey guys from Jeddah city.
SP Vinod just joined. Hello.
Alright.
Hi, daddy.
When will we come to Mauritius? Ben?
Soon. When are they going to call us to Mauritius? Who's going to call us to Mauritius? Depends on that.
So you got your answer there. Green tea, Summer. Green tea. Summer's done with his green tea, so no green tea. You guys rock. Venky, love your haircut.
Hey, thanks. I didn't really do anything.
And
Thanks
like
to the guy who cut my
Venki
hair.
doesn't say haircut, he says yakat.
Yeah.
Yeah, cut.
He cut his ear.
Yeah, cut.
He cut your. You cut your ear.
My cut.
Cut your ear. Yeah.
Yeah, cut.
Okay, what's the next song? Are we gonna do another song?
So we might release an original next.
What? Who said? Who said? You
Cat's
said?
out of the bag, not me. It's him.
Oh.
Just aja aja.
Anando.
What's up?
Anando!
What's happening?
Everybody say
Anando,
hi
what are you
to
doing
Anando.
there? Idhar aja, aja.
For those you guys you don't know who Anando is the guy who directed
Janta Tha.
Janta Tha.
Oh,
How
yeah.
many people remember the video
Janta
of
Tha?
Janta Tha? So that's Anando. Give a big shout out.
When's
to
your
him.
show in Mumbai?
Mumbai. We just did like right now. We just did a show like.
Yeah, we just did a show in Mumbai like
We're having a live
a few
show
minutes
right
ago.
now.
Oh.
We did
Mumbai.
Saya in Mumbai. Nice cap, Sanam.
Thank you. It's a little dry, so just like yeah.
Oh.
Okay, let's do one song.
Forget it.
Which song can we do?
Next. They go original. No, just kidding.
What did it?
You want to hear one more Kailash Kher song? That's my favorite, personal favorite. Teri Diwani.
What?
Huh? Oh.
When we release that, then maybe.
Okay.
Yeah?
When we release it.
Cool.
Okay, yeah.
So which other song? Let's do another song.
Let's do another song.
Hi from Suriname. Hi.
Hi. Oh.
Come guys.
You
listen.
heard that? Yes. Sorry. You can make a ringtone out of that.
Come to Dubai, please. Come to Calcutta
Soon.
Oh, very soon.
soon.
Okay, remove his cap. Okay, why not?
Okay, I'll do it. I'll do it myself.
Okay. 1, 2. Oh, not up. You removed it from the frame.
Say any song you guys say?
Any song?
Let's do. Come on.
Okay, which song?
Which song can we do?
Let's.
My hand is hurting.
What should we do?
Holding.
Wait, I'll hold it. Okay.
Ah, thank you.
We could do a song that you feel like singing right now. Is there anything that you feel like singing at the moment?
I feel like singing many songs.
Yeah.
Ye Raatein
Top
also.
of your head.
I like this song
Called
called.
Happy Birthday.
Happy birthday.
You want to do Ye Raatein also?
Come.
Ah, okay, we can do that.
When you Rate Master?
वैसे अभी रात थोड़ी देर में होने वाली है तो हम एक गाना करेंगे.
You know?
You know,
You're doing it.
you guys know the song Ye Raat Bhigi Bhigi? So Ye Raat Bhigi Bhigi, the only thing that dries it is my cap, super dry.
Wait, it didn't go off, no?
No.
I touched this button. That's why.
No, it's fine.
Shit. Okay. Up, down, where? Correct?
Doing Ye Raatein
I think we just fit in the frame. Yeah, hold it.
Yeah.
Everybody just fit in. Yeah, this is perfect.
Perfect.
Perfect. Let's go.
Venki's birthday is coming up soon, it seems.
Whoa! Happy birthday to Venki.
Happy birthday.
Come, let's go. Little higher bit. Yes. This is good. Okay, let's go.
ये रातें मौसम नदी का किनारा चंचल हवा ये रातें नदी का किनारा चल रहा कहा दो दिलों ने कि मिलकर कभी हम ना होंगे जुदा ये रातें ये मौसम नदी का किनारा ये चंचल हवा
Sonomisms. Okay. Any sonomisms?
Well, yes, there's many.
There's
You can find a mirror, Keshu.
It's muted. Oh, really?
I don't know.
No, wait, you can't.
Can you get
Okay, can you guys hear us or you can't?
They can.
You
Huh?
can. Okay, cool.
What's that?
Getting goosebumps. Nice.
Oh, nice.
मेरे सपनों की रानी.
मेरे सपनों की रानी.
Gonna do it?
Okay. Khajur. What?
Oops.
Keshu. Oops, he's the Kajur.
Well,
Sonomisms. Okay, guys.
sonomisms.
Hi,
What do you want to hear?
Kiran.
Like, heavy.
Hey, Nalak. Hey, Maria.
What's up?
Keshavisms.
Keshavism.
Keshavisms.
Keshavisms.
He's playing something. What is he playing? Thinking.
Say anything.
What are you playing? You too, brother. What's up? Why is he laughing? Yeah?
Sonomisms.
Something's wrong with this guy.
Sonomisms for the next time. Okay, sonomisms. Okay, sing in the way. Okay, yes, that we can do.
Divey, let's
What's
do
that?
it.
Anna she is naga, reni wari, anbefa. Oh, Anna she is naga, reni wari, anbefa. Nuni dene mere manuni kala. Haye vada raha, haye vada raha.
Please say hi. Everybody say hi. Hi.
Now everybody slow. Low.
No. Come to Kerala.
We should all go.
We will. I like Kerala. Nice place. Okay, guys. Anyway, so thanks for watching our videos.
One second. Yeah, this is better. Yeah, this is much better.
थोड़ा इस side पे
I
यार.
think it should be like this.
A little style, this side, yeah. This is a good style. It's a good style.
But about 1 second. Okay, now what?
No. I think your hair is better like this.
Okay, yeah, let's play with mine.
See this?
Okay, guys, if this is hair, what is this? There.
Hey, Kish.
Here and there.
Hair and Kish, same thing.